don't really got way too many friends, but I'm really close to Benjamin. Me and him every weekend, yeah, we ball it out.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. So let's start on with this video. It is going to be a voiceover, so if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching.
Sigue tu camino que sin ti me va mejor. Ahora tengo a otras que me lo hacen mejor.
So I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette for this look. You guys already know this is my go-to. Going in with that shade called Butter with my Morphe E28 brush. Then you just want to go in with a blending brush. My blending brush is the Morphe 576 brush. Very good brush. I really recommend this blending brush. Now I'm going to be going in with my Morphe PK36 and then grabbing that shade called Mocha. And I'm just going to be placing this on the crease. My next shade is Central Park and it's a darker brown, and you just want to do the same steps as the other one. Going in with my Glamour Flaw Concealer in Shade Light and just be cutting my crease. Going in with my Tartelette and Bloom palette, going in with that shade called Charmer and just be placing it where I cut the crease. That shade called Obsessed and just be placing it on top where I just set, and going in with this eyeliner and just doing my eyeliner a little thick because you know you're going to place some glitter on there. Going in with NYX glitter primer and just place it on top of my eyeliner, and then I'm just going to be placing some glitter on top. Going in with my lashes, and now your eyes are pretty much done. Going in with my NYX pore filler and just going to be placing this in where I need it the most. Going in with my Inflatable Matte Lock Primer and just placing this all over my face. Going back in with the palette, going in with that shade called Central Park and just placing this under my waterline. Going in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline foundation, the Super Stay 24-hour foundation. Just be placing this all over my face. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand, and I'm just going to be placing this where I need it the most. Going in with my Anastasia palette. This is the contour palette and using that shade called Espresso with my Morphe E34 brush. Going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Then going in with this little brush called Morphe G42 and just kind of contouring my nose. Then I'm going to go in with this Fit Me powder and just trying to fix my contour as well. Just kind of sharpen it up a little bit. Then going in with my favorite brush. This is the Morphe G5 and just going to be dusting everything off with this brush. I'm going to be using this brush right here. It's a Morphe E41 with my Tarte Pro Glow and using that shade called Stunner and just putting this all over my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow. Then going with my Anastasia Aurora palette, the glow kit, and using that white shade called Luna and just applying a little bit to everywhere just to brighten up a little bit more. Going in with this brush, the Morphe E41, and just kind of blending everything nice and neat going together, just kind of blending everything together. Then going with my Great Lash and just setting my brows. Going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and just applying this to my lips.
She did my competition to my hair, guys. Bye, everybody. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up.
Going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and just placing this all over my face and just fanning it out as well.
My senora, my picky on margarine butter, and my ink got McDonald's niggas.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new. And make sure to press that bell button so you guys can get notified every time I post. Like, why not, you know? So make sure you subscribe and press that bell button. And we'll see you guys next time.